Hello guys and welcome back in my shop. So today I have something new. I am still assembling my milling machine, but I was on scrapyard nearby my flat and I found something interesting. It is Freejaw chuck from a really good Polish company. It's Bison. And I'm really excited because it's a little bit rusty, but it looks like that is working. It's like it's old, it's rusty, but it's working. And really it should be precise and good enough for my applications. I will use it with milling machine, with rotary table. Maybe with index table when I will get one or build one. So I'm really excited. Bison Bial is company from Poland. They are making precision parts for machines starting from the Second World War. So it is good piece, and I will try to tear down this and check if it's okay. So first I think I will remove rust. I hope I will not destroy this sign. Maybe you can see it. Now it's a little bit dirt. So I will remove rust, grease everything, and I think it will be working. Maybe I will check it. Yeah, let's check it. Okay, they are moving, so I will leave it and clean it. I don't want to destroy it because there is dirt, sand, rust. So we have movie about Freejaw chuck restoration found in scrapyard. Nice, really nice. I am happy. Oh, okay, I found small issue here. Oh, yeah, now you can see it. There is, it looks like this bolt is broken, but it's inside, and I will never use it on lathe, only with rotary tables, so I think it's strong enough. Maybe I will be able to repair it somehow, but I think it's strong enough to be precise as I need. So probably it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. So it's a little bit broken, but it's working, so probably I will leave it. It's good enough for my applications. Maybe I will be able to weld it. I don't know, we will see. So now I will tear down this. Okay, I will just start with our favorite guy, VW40. Yeah, looks really good. Great. This inside is in very good condition. We not rust there, so yeah, I'm lucky. these jobs should be marked as 1, 2 and 3, but because of rust or dirt or whatever, I am not able to see it. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, this one will pop out, or maybe not. Yeah, nice. Okay, I will mark holes from which one I get it. If this is where somehow, I will try to put them in same place. I think I need to remove jobs first, and then I will be able to take this off, because now I am not. Okay, so I will put this in place. This one is out also. Yeah. So I think that the inside chuck there, they was in very good condition. This is shiny, so yeah, it's almost rust free. Very nice chuck. Maybe this one is a little bit rusty, but on my side, nice. Yeah, really nice. Nice. Okay, this one I will mark also. Nice. Yeah, this one is broken, like I told you, but will work in this condition, I think. For milling applications, not on lathe, I think is good enough. Maybe I will buy it. Yeah. Or maybe I will be able to weld it. This is hardened. I don't know if I will be able to weld hardened steel. Maybe this is a reason why this truck was waiting for me on the scrapyard. Let's take a look on the rest. Okay, I found a piece of wood which is perfect. It fit there, and I will gently try to it is really precise made, but everything here looks really nice. Yeah, look very nice. No rust there. This part survived. Really, really good. Almost like new. So we have only surface rust outside. That is very good information. Yeah. I don't know how long this truck was on scrapyard, but these pieces are in really good conditions. They are not wear much. Okay, I will try to clean this return. This is soft, so it's cleaning but not hurting this. This paper wasn't a good idea. Only bigger pieces of rust survive it, so I will try this on table. Okay, so this brush is removing dirt and rust, but it's not touching good material. That is nice. I think I will clean all of them with this brush. Here I still need to clean this more, but I will clean all of them. So nice. Jobs are already done. So now I think I will clean my truck body. Okay, this look good to me. So now this side. Okay, nice. Okay, now phosphoric acid. Okay, now I will clean this part. now I need to brush it again and it's ready. Okay guys, I finished, and take a look how nice it is. I'm really happy. Check this out. So everything is clean and shiny. So now I will put this together. If someone is watching and have this part not used, please send me it or mail me. I need to check if they are making new ones. Nice. Oh. I hurt myself. Doesn't matter. Okay, now these ones. Okay, this back plate. Yeah. Okay, now I catch each one, so everything is going smooth, really nice and smooth. So I have chucked to my milling machine 200 millimeters in diameter. It's enough for me. Let's see if they will close. Yeah. Whew. It's working. Free draft chuck for my milling machine. Oil it like a lady from street where you don't want to go, or you want. I will not judge you, but it's oiled, it's shiny, and it's like brand new. It's working very good. You already see it. I want to use it with indexing head and rotary table, so it will be good enough for my applications. It's 200 in diameter, and I get it really in cost of junk. It was found on scrapyard, so really was very cheap. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.